Good evening, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 5:09 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Monday, November 1st, 2021. It's hard for me to say that because I can't believe how long and fast it's gone. So here we are. We're talking about NuCypher and Keep. Subscribe, hit the bell, be notified of these videos when they come out. And by the way, this is not financial advice, it's educational. Click the thumbs up and share the video with your friends and colleagues who are interested in NuCypher, Keep, and ultimately the Threshold Network. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link below. Let's take a look at NuCypher. Okay, we're sitting pretty at 90 cents. We're kind of really going sideways here, as we mentioned on yesterday's video. And again, thank you for being patient. I've had video and audio quality issues being away for a week or a little less than that. So kind of on the sideways chop, we got a nice support line around 88 cents. And we're kind of like, we almost dipped below, but pulled back nicely. And we're kind of consolidating again. This looks like we could be in for more consolidation in the very near term. You never know. These spikes will come out of nowhere like a bat out of hell. There's nothing that's going to be able to predict it. You could look at a Fibonacci or whatever it is you want to look at. It's not going to tell any different story than what I'm telling you right here. But that, let it be known, if we do pass $1, for a period of time, we could be going properly back up to the $1.25 range. But right now we have a strong, solid line of support around 88 cents. Now let's go over NuCypher Bitcoin. We are hugging this line, and let me zoom out. And there's just so many lines on this thing. We're a little bit below, but then we kind of came back over. Not quite sure what to make of this at this point, but what I can tell you is we're literally sitting back on the 1486 line right now. For us to start to see real momentum in this, we'd need to see the NuCypher Bitcoin get back well within this range. Otherwise, if we start bouncing down, it might spell trouble for NuCypher. But in the meantime, we're still over. Keep, on the other hand, Keep is keeping within its lane here. Obviously, this is the resistance area of 69, low end 60. So it's a tight range at that. We're at 66 cents and change. So in the middle of the pack, consolidating now for almost 5 or 6 days. Keep Bitcoin now. What's interesting here is this is now turning horizontal. So I'm going to take this here. Now we can plant it nicely and snugly underneath here, because you have a lot of touch points. And whenever you have a lot of touch points where you can draw a line that they all hit, that's kind of the name of the game here. And sometimes you'll see patterns come out of that. But right now, there's nothing pattern-wise that I can see, at least visually here. But I do see multiple areas of resistance here. Then over here, support. And then multiple times. I mean, I could probably count 20 to 30 times of touch points on this green line. So now we are in the horizontal line here. There looks to be another area of resistance up here at the 1224 range. So as you can see here, we've had multiple touch points of resistance and now potential resistance again. Clearly resistance here, multiple times of resistance here. And let me just get that back. And now back here, a few times of resistance as well. So we got to get over the 1230 range on the Keep Bitcoin pair. It's a good 10%, over us. But in the meantime, over to Bitcoin, we are definitely past this channel, going sideways. I think we're going to consolidate a little more, a day or two, and then start our trek back up. Last night we went up nicely up to 62.5, all the way from a low of 59 and change. So pretty good 5-6% money move. In the meantime, Bitcoin dominance is going down, and I think we're going to continue to see this downward spiral of our Bitcoin dominance pair, which is very good for altcoins, as you know. But anyway, so NuCypher US dollar still consolidating over 87, 88 cents. Nothing fancy. Same thing with the NuCypher Bitcoin pair, still staying over that 1480 range. We're range bound between 69 and 60 cents on Keep, but if we can get over the 69 cent range, our next stop is 79. Keep to Bitcoin also, same thing. We're starting to see this range of resistance up here, and ultimately now a range of support. So I think we're kind of like right over here at 1100. We're probably 5% over that support line right now on the Keep Bitcoin pair. But anyway, I'll keep everyone in touch. Talk soon.